Hi guys, it's Baba with Baba channel. It's 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm on my way to go pick up my car. So I found a really good deal on a 2019 Grand Sport, and I'm not going to wait for the 2020 or 2021 because it seems like it's going to take too long. So I'm going to New Hampshire, and I should arrive over there in the morning. Just arrived at Boston, so now I have to take a bus and should be there in 1 hour. This is the bus station in Boston. It looks very nice. Hey guys, I'm at McMulkin's Chevrolet, and they just getting my car ready, and I'll be taking off for New York. So I just saw the car. It looks wow, crazy. And look at all these cars they have here. These guys have the best deals in the nation. I've been researching for over 2 months, and this is where I ended up, and I could not be happier. So in a minute I'm gonna go downstairs and meet the beast. Hey guys, I'm finally here. This is the beast. This is looking nice. So all right, this is Vinny.
How's it going?
He was very helpful. Thanks a lot, Vinny.
No problem.
So I'm going to head to Manhattan, and
yes,
hopefully I'll talk to you.
hope you enjoy the car.
Thank you.
No problem.